Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the essentials in place: Wi-Fi, a working SIM, and your Apple ID signed into settings. Once done, go directly to Settings Messages and turn iMessage on. Do the same in Settings FaceTime. This initiates the activation handshake with Apple servers. Make sure your device stays online and unlocked while it activates, because the phone number and Apple ID need to register. If you see waiting for activation, give it a few minutes before moving on. Once iMessage is turning on, open Send and Receive to choose which phone numbers and emails can send and receive. For FaceTime, pick a caller ID and ensure your desired addresses are checked. This ties your devices and contacts to the same Apple ID and explains how messages route. If the service doesn't verify, remove the SIM and restart the phone, then re-enable each toggle. That forces a fresh registration and often resolves issues with carrier provisioning or stale activation tokens. To finish, send an iMessage to confirm blue bubbles and place a FaceTime call to verify video audio. If things still fail, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, restart the device, then sign back in and re-enable iMessage and FaceTime. This clears credentials. Make sure device date, time, and region are correct, and that two-factor authentication prompts are answered on trusted devices. If you see an error, contact your carrier about SMS activation messages.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.